Hello dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chalo Maths Padhne. Dear students, we have a question, and in this question it is given that tan theta is equals to 1 by 2 and tan phi is equals to 1 by 3, right? And we have to find the value of theta plus phi, right? How we can find it? Watch till the end and share it to your friends. Let us start its solution. To solve it, first we find tan theta plus phi, right? And since we have tan theta is given, tan theta is 1 by 2 and tan phi is what? Tan phi is equals to 1 by 3, right? And we know that tan theta plus phi is equals to tan theta plus tan phi divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. Okay, we use this formula, and by using this we can find the value of theta plus phi easily. Okay, put the values of tan theta and tan phi, then we get here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. Okay, and now we solve them and we get here 3 plus 2, 5 by 6, and in denominator we get 3 to the 6, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 by 6, right? Both numerator and denominators are equal, so we can cancel them and we can write here 1. Thus we have now tan theta plus phi, is equals to what? 1. Okay, and tan theta is equals to 1, then theta must be equal to pi by 4, because we know that tan 45 degrees equals to 1. So we write here theta plus phi is equals to what? Pi by 4. Why? Because we know that tan pi by 4 is equals to what? 1, right? uh, this is the value of theta plus phi, but we know that if we have to find its general solution, then we write here what? Theta plus phi equals to n pi plus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. I hope you all have understood it. This is the right answer of this question. Okay, we will meet in next